what do we have here? It's early in the morning and... Wait. Is that what I think it is? Hello guys, welcome to another video. Today I will be making a video on unboxing / Valkyrie. That's also my first GT Beyblade. Oh goodness, it's amazing. My friend has it, Lucky Gyarados. Yeah, subscribe to him. Watch my other videos and then press on his channel and subscribe to him. So, / Valkyrie is a Gekinko layer system bay and is the owner of Valkyrie. Don't know if he's still champion. I think Iger is. Yeah, and I already cut it open. I didn't get it, my auntie got it. Okay, let's see the back. / Valkyrie. It's awesome. It looks amazing. That is just such a awesome looking bay. Blitz, that's the middle, and I think it pops out. Yeah, my friend has it. Lucky Gyarados, subscribe to him again. Power, I made a video on it. No, I didn't make a video on it. I made a secret video about / Valkyrie facing Ace Dragon, and it bounced on me, and that was awesome. I'm sorry, no, that was not really awesome. Okay, that's the chip, Valkyrie. That the medal is Retsu. It has 3 points, 1, 2, and 3, and / that's the Gekinko layer system. The metal, I think, is the weight chip thing. Okay, so let's open it and Karo, I don't know. But it's a Karatomi, it's real. It says Karatomi on it, so it's real. Booster 134. I have no idea what this is. It's just telling us attacks, I think. And yes, I'm gonna show you some secret things. By the way, that's not really a secret. Everyone knows that. But up on the other side, it has a code. But I don't know what that code's meant to be, so I'm not gonna. I'm sorry. Just if you want to pause it, just scan that. Oh yeah, there's a code like behind here, or here, like right there. Okay, let's open it. Amazing bay, nothing inside anymore. And they made a new, kind of thing to it. This is amazing. Having a / Valkyrie, my first Gekinko bay. Like my first Chozy bay was a Chozy Valkyrie. And now my actual Chozy layer system bay was actually Chozy Valkyrie. That's / Valkyrie. Yeah, I'm gonna put this away now and let's see what we got. Nice! Not much stickers. I'm so happy. There's not much stickers. Okay, better get my scissors. Yeah, I'm gonna get my scissors. Okay, I'm back with my trustworthy scissors from school. A long time ago, I got it from like year 4. Okay, so I'm just gonna open this sticker part first. As you see, there's a combo sheet. There's a combo paper sheet. And the stickers. Don't need this. I'm just gonna keep it, put it in my box. And yay! See Ace Dragon, Bushin Nashua, and / Valkyrie itself. I like this. Whoa! What is that? That is amazing. Totally amazing. That is actually amazing. Okay, that's a lot of combos. Fast combo is like Ace Dragon, Retsu, and Valkyrie. Sting, and Evolution. This one is a stamina combo and the defense combo right there. Another code, and whoa, what is that? I would really like that, but I can't, obviously. It's over! Oh, whatever. Wizard Fafnir right there. It's already released. I don't have anything new. I'm really sad. But it's okay. At least I got Slash Valkyrie. Stickers are easy to put on. I'm very happy about that. Oh yeah, where are the stickers meant to be put on? Yeah, I think it's by the wings. Yeah, very easy. Now, we have the Bay I have been waiting for. Well, you guys probably already watch so many Bay-tubers unbox this, but yeah, I'm gonna unbox it myself, because I'm a Bay-tuber slash Minecraft person. And yeah, it's fun making videos at least. You should tell me guys. It's awesome. Okay, there. Whew, Slash Valkyrie. The stickers. Okay, I've been waiting so long. Not really so long, but I got this because I did my homework very fast. Yeah, and if I do my homework very fast, I guess I get prizes like these. Not really prizes like these, I just got it. I don't know why I got it, actually. I don't think I actually worked very well. But yeah, okay, but I got it anyways. Okay, and entertain you guys for more videos. And here's power. Gonna take the sticker off this and put on power, I guess. It's very hard to put it on power. Oh wait, no, I just did it. Okay, power is basically a nothing slash absorb driver, but it's attack, and yep, it bounces, and when you look inside, when this pushes, it also makes this push, which makes it stronger, I think. Yeah, it makes it stronger, because the spring load makes this harder to blast, so it's better. That's my theory, but don't know if it's correct. Next, we have Blitz. It's amazing. Cool metal. It's pretty heavy, actually. Might be my heaviest, but I think Double O and War is my heaviest. So basically, what this does is, in battle, these things pops out of the 3 places, and I guess it does more attack. I'm not sure. And look at the shape. That is, it's kind of like, whatchamacallit. It's kind of like Magnin from Excalius. I don't know. Okay, that's Blitz. And last but not least, Slash Valkyrie. Sorry, put together. I really want to do the thing that they always do. I'm gonna quickly put the stickers on after. Yeah, it's Slash Valkyrie. It's amazing. Okay, I'm just gonna show you how the Kinko layer system works. You just have these tabs here. I think everyone knows it. Just push it down. Like push these tabs, like Twin Nemesis. And then you push these things, you push the teeth. I'm just gonna, there we go. Push the teeth, then it'll fall out. Like right there, it fell. Everything fell out. There we go, it's not blurry anymore. Retsu, I imagine this to be a bit bigger and heavier because it's so light. And there are the 3 corners. This is like a mini version of the 3 corners, but I think it's meant to be the middle of the bay. This is Valkyrie. It's very light. Lighter than Retsu. And yeah, you can click these. Oh my gosh. Wait, I'm not gonna do it yet. Wait. Okay. Valkyrie! Oh wait, did I say this was Valkyrie? This was Slash. Sorry. I don't know. Oh my... This is Valkyrie. Very light again. Expected it to be a little bit bigger, but because it's in real life, it's a bit smaller. In YouTube, you would think it'll be big, but it's... There we go. Look at the shine. Nice. I don't have a weigher because my weigher thing is bad. What? Okay, now 3, 2, 1. Oh, no, your Kinko layer mod. Watch that video. I'm gonna upload that. Okay, let's put this together. You just place it like this. And you just go here, click, and push it, and there you go, you got it again. I'm gonna just put these bays together, and let's see how good the clicks are. Wait, by the way, let's see the click. Let's see the teeth. Can't really see it, but there's like a big block of teeth like right there. So I don't know if that's gonna be helpful, but we're gonna see in battle. Okay, so let's connect it now. Ooh, okay. They only have 2 clicks, so when you click this one, it goes to a massive jump, but it's a bigger click, so it will. Only has like 2 clicks only. Yeah, it's not as powerful, but it has bigger clicks, so yeah. This can push down again. It'll make it harder to burst. And luckily, I've got my stadium. And I will put the stickers on. You just have to wait a little bit. I'm going to put it on about like... I'm just gonna cut the scene. Okay, I put the stickers on. As you can see, there's only a little bit of stickers. So I just had to make sure where it was and put it correctly. So here's Slash Valkyrie. I'm gonna get my launcher and test more. Oh, it's a bit bulky. That's pretty cool. And I will just do some test battles as well. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Oh, that's Slash Valkyrie! Amazing. It's so calm. Yeah. It's awesome. And I don't know why. I don't know why the camera is so blurry. Probably because of the light. Probably needs better light. Okay, 3, 2, 1. It will bounce a little bit. So I'll take this off, and let's see bounce. Ooh, okay, that's awesome. And don't you worry, guys, I will buy a new stadium, because this is so dirty. I will get one. I will definitely need it. Okay, let's do test battle against Achilles. Oh no, it's gonna fall out. I know it's gonna fall out. Yes, it is. Okay, it's pretty disappointing. It's like a. Oh, what? What? What was that? One shot. It nearly bursted as well. Oh man. It's a pretty big disappointment because Valkyrie has burst stoppers. will stop it from busting. Slash Valkyrie doesn't even have it. It's a pretty big disappointment. But I like this type of bay. This new lay system is awesome. Plus the power driver and Blitz. That was the code for Valkyrie. I'm not gonna launch it too hard. I'm just so scared it's gonna knock the wall. Okay. What's happening? Okay, slash Valkyrie. We'll win. Okay, I'm gonna do one more battle with the toys and I'm gonna move on to Trophy Spaghetti. I will make one whole separate video just for a battle of slash Valkyrie facing Chosy Valkyrie. So don't ignore it. Okay. Yeah, slash Valkyrie gets the win. It's actually pretty good. Because it has big teeth, which will make it not burst that easily, but it will still burst because it has only 2 clicks. No, wait. 1, 2. Yeah, 2 clicks only. Oh. It's pretty disappointing. It's a big. Although it looks better, it looks very nice. Its size looks way better than Chosy Valkyrie, in my opinion. But if you like Chosy Valkyrie better, no, it's your opinion. As well as my opinion. Everyone's different. Ooh, look at that man. Oh, doing some hot hits. But who will manage to win and take the point? Slash Valkyrie. Nearly bursted as well. One more battle. Oh my goodness, this is taking too long. Whoa! Okay. That was a massive hit. Okay. Oh, man. I really like Slash Valkyrie. But I like Ace Dragon better. Who likes Ace Dragon? Do you like Ace Dragon or Slash Valkyrie? Comments down below. Last bay, Chosy Valkyrie. Oh! One hit and it goes crazy. Just because of its awakening. But it slows down very easily. That's why it's not that good. Okay, doesn't matter. It's good. Okay. Slash Valkyrie. Take it again. Still on the way. Oh, there we go. Nice. See done. So I hope you enjoyed this video. See you later. Goodbye. Peace out. By the way, this is my 60 subscriber special.